What is facility management software? Facility management software is designed to reduce workplace moving expenses, extend asset lifespans through maintenance monitoring, and identify inefficiencies in a building's energy consumption. Common features of facility management software include space management, using data covering real-time space utilization, assets and personnel, and desk or office arrangements. Maintenance management enables users to create and track work orders, and in some systems, assess a building's physical condition. Lease administration automatically tracks a facility's leasing documents in order to reduce data errors, avoid costly penalties, and accelerate data entry. Asset management tracks items by department, location, and usage frequency, while identifying necessary repairs, optimizing use and placement, and reducing capital expenditures. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.